Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? With apologies to Eminem and his new millennium hit nearly 25 years back, the latest documentary expose by Senator Sherwin Gatchalian on a passport alleged to positively identify and connect Bamban Mayor Alice Guo as one and the same person may indicate it's curtains for the embattled mayor's efforts to conceal her true identity. Our Daniel Madalastas has more details.
Is Guo Huaping the real Alice Guo? A question floated by Senator Sherwin Gatchalian in his presentation of document that allegedly proves Alice Guo's real identity. It is the name on the document. Gatchalian said Mayor Guo is likely Guo Huaping, who allegedly entered the Philippines on January 2003 when she was 13 years old, and her real birthday is on August 31, 1990. Gatchalian added these documents provided by the Board of Investments are from the Guo's family application for Special Investors Resident Visa and the Bureau of Immigration.
Unang-unang kumbinsido ako na si Guo Huaping ay si Alice Guo. Kumbinsido ako doon. Tatlong dahilan. Una, tingnan nyo lang yung picture ni Guo Huaping. No? Yung similarities hindi natin matatanggal eh. No? Talagang hawig na hawig at kamukhang-kamukha niyo yung bata. Doon sa dokumentong yan, nakasulat kung sino yung nanay niya. Si Wen Yilin.
Guo's camp, meanwhile, denied the allegations.
Mayor Alice Guo is ready to face any legal consequences or any battle in the proper forum po to assert her claim. Kasi in the first place, itong taong sinasabi nila is allegedly born sometime on 1980, so which makes that person 44 years old right now. Hindi po niya kilala personally yung tao na binabanggit dito.
The BI, on the other hand, confirmed the document even as they pursue their own investigation.
So far, ang tinitingnan po natin, hindi lang kasi yung pangalan, pati po yung other details like the photo and all the other documents that are in the records of BI, as well as yung nakuha pa natin from the Board of Investment. So yun po yung nakita natin na siguro masasabi natin na might be worth looking into by the investigative body.
Some senators meanwhile expressed concern after the document was revealed.
She has to explain where she came from, di ba? Parang walang nakakakilala sa kanya, hindi niya masabi kung sino nanay niya. I mean, wala naman pinanganak sa Pilipinas na hindi alam kung sino nanay at tatay, di ba?
Daniel Madalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.